ఈ రోజు మనం చేయబోతున్నాం గాజర్ కా
Halwa,
హల్వా.
yay! We eat and we burn it through the weekdays. Wow.
People like Rashmika work out every day and burn those calories. And the rest of the people are like me. So hey guys, this Diwali, I'm going to indulge and she's going to indulge and work out.
Yes, definitely. Oh.